Today we can discuss about OET synonyms for reading. Plasticity, the quality of being easily shaped. Idiosyncrasy, a mode of behavior or way of thought peculiar to an individual. Gray area, an ill-defined situation or area of activity not readily conforming to a category. Enthrall, capture the fascinated attention. Stack up, build up. Straw in the wind, something that suggests what might happen. Get off your high horse, to stop talking as if you were better or more clever than other people. Rock the boat, say or do something to disturb an existing situation and upset people. Mundane, lacking interest or excitement. Dull. Permeate, spread throughout. Explicit, very specific, clear. Implicit, implied indirectly. Stark, hard, firm. Discrepancy, a lack of similarity between two or more facts. Repeal, annulling a bill. Incessantly, in a manner without pause or stop, not ceasing. Thin air, being invisible or non-existent.